The courtroom rises as Judge Bunderby takes the bench. The Williamson case begins. Miss Williamson steps forward, frustrated and tired. She says the other mother in their split custody arrangement has disappeared from responsibility. The judge listens carefully as Miss Williamson explains she's been carrying the full load, while the other mother claims she's working. The tension builds immediately.
All rise. Judge Bunderby Court is now in session. Judge's case number JVB 1050, Williamson case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Miss Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to, that I adopted, and I'm spending more time with her than you are.
I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that means I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just...
The judge reminds them both this argument is getting them nowhere. She looks at the court order. No child support was assigned because they agreed to split custody. Now, that agreement has fallen apart. For 3 months, Miss Williamson says she's had the child almost every day. The other mother shrugs it off, claiming her job is difficult too. Then she makes a mistake. Joking the judge's job looks pretty easy. The judge does not forget comments like that.
Excuse myself. What did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because I'm not going to do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody.
Right.
Did.
Okay, so that's changed.
Yes.
All right. How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My job ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
The judge shifts focus to the child. Sage, 6 years old. Cute, bright, and caught in the middle. Miss Williamson says when she asks the other mom why she's absent, she hears a work. But the social media tells another story. Beaches, palm trees, Miami nights. The courtroom reacts. So the judge asks directly, are you being flued out for work or for something else?
I mean, look pretty easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you, no worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes.
Okay.
I adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split.
The mother hesitates. She admits sometimes she's flown out for non-work reasons. The judge's patience thins. The mom proudly declares she pays $175 in insurance, as if that offsets months of missed parenting. The judge isn't impressed. Insurance is not parenting. Posting vacations is not parenting. Posting vacations is not parenting. Sage still needs food, clothes, supervision, and love.
The custody is she's working, but when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media anyways?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work.
The judge lays down the truth. Both women are legal parents. Both have equal responsibility, and one of them has not been showing up. The judge moves to finances. She warns the mother to be honest. The documents are already in front of her. The mother finally admits she earns $79,000 a year. A strong salary, with very weak effort toward her child.
Work, and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to
So
deal
are
with
you
as a flight
working
attendant
when-
with all these crazy people on this
Okay, so
airplane.
are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
requires
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally, I may have a little flued out situation, but most of the time I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like at least I'm doing something. I do
Congratulations.
my part.
You pay a whole
$175.
$175 in health insurance.
What you mean?
What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's
The judge begins calculating gross income, net income, deductions. The mother listens as the numbers cut through her excuses. Ms. Williamson tries to speak, but the judge stops both women. Emotions are high, and the courtroom is heating up. What matters now are facts. Income, responsibility, support, stability.
beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here, This is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
about 79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About 79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
With the net income established at just over $5,100 a month, the judge calls for the next number, child support. One child, one obligation. The mother tries to argue she carried the baby for 9 months. The judge shuts it down instantly. Biology doesn't exempt responsibility. Parenting does not end at birth.
Support.
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm gonna still have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance, and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the
Just
only
Sage.
child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of.
The judge breaks down the math for the room. The mother gets credit for the $175 insurance, but it barely makes a difference. The numbers continue to land like punches. The final amount becomes clear. The mother's face drops. The courtroom waits.
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
You know
me.
what it is
Excuse
to carry
me.
a baby for 9
Okay,
months?
Because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
That's why we ain't
again,
together now.
I
That's
need
why I
you.
be cheating now.
I need you to pay attention to
Girl.
since you like to be flued out and stuff. I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, that bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be
Something.
much, so don't thank me yet.
$10, $11 per month. The judge reads it firmly. The mother repeats it in disbelief. The judge reminds her, if she can afford to be flown across the country, she can afford to support her own child. The courtroom murmurs, the decision is final.
It's not. So, let's see. I give you credit for the 175, 6583. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I say.
The judge asks if either parent has anything further. Both say no. The tension lifts as the judge dismisses the case. Responsibility has finally been assigned. Sage will receive the support she deserves.
$1,000.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a
1,000.
whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying.
You got
I
it.
got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? You
I
got that?
heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed. Hi guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Williamson case. Well, what did you notice that was interesting about this one? There were two moms. Yes, in Texas, that is perfectly legal. There is a biological parent and there's also an adoptive parent. Well, that's what happened in this case. Whenever that happens, both parents have the legal obligation to support a child. Mom number 2 was not supporting the child. Mom 1 wanted child support. What else was interesting that you hear about that? This was a modification case. That means that they already had an existing order in place where they were supposed to have a split custody situation. They agreed to no child support. But when Mom 1 started having the child more than 50% of the time, actually, I believe she said she had the child all the time, then it's only right that Mom 2.
Outside the courtroom, the judge explains what viewers witnessed. 2 mothers, 1 biological, 1 adoptive, both legally responsible. A split custody agreement that fell apart. And a modification case triggered because 1 parent began carrying all the weight. When 1 parent has the child the majority of the time, that parent is entitled to support. The law is clear. Today, so is the outcome. When you choose to be a parent, you choose responsibility. And in my courtroom, responsibility can't be flown out, escaped, or ignored. Gentitsi?